Hello friends, welcome to your channel Market Update. I hope you and your family are doing great during this pandemic. So today's video is going to about Yes Bank, and we will discuss about how the Yes Bank performing and what will be the future for Yes Bank. So stay tuned, and before that, if you are new to my channel, please support me, like, share and subscribe this channel so that I can bring genuine news directly to you. So let's start with Yes Bank. We have the front page of Yes Bank. We can clearly notice one thing that company belongs to a financial mid cap and risk factor is moderate. So if we're talking about one day performance, we have a return of 0.77%. Within a week, this is 6.02%. Within a month, 20%, and within a year, 0.38%. This figure has changed from its red zone to green just because of this performance, where Yes Bank has reached a high of 15.05 rupees. Lowest goes to 10 rupees 80 paise. When this share reach a lowest of 10 rupees 80 paise, people start to get panic and they had started to sell their shares. They were just worried whether this share may drop down till 5 to 6 rupees range, but Yes Bank recovers good and they are now trending at 13 rupees 15 paise, and 13 rupees is the figure for the Yes Bank, which is the strong support zone for Yes Bank, and Yes Bank is trending at this figure from the past almost 6 months. So now things are looking good and they are in favor of Yes Bank. The way Yes Bank is performing in the market, they are trying to retain the customer, they are trying to provide their facilities so that they can retain their new customers, as well as they had set their targets for the starting of this year. They had set their target of reaching around 1 lakh customers. They are achieving that as well. So now things are looking good, and Yes Bank is working really hard so that they can sustain in the market, and this is what we are seeing the impact on Yes Bank as well. Few points why we consider Yes Bank. So first point is Yes Bank is uh, the Yes Bank is not under ASM or GSM list, so this is a relief sign. Second point, that this is the time you can consider it as an entry level for this share, because this share is now not in overbought zone. The only things to worry about Yes Bank, that if we compare it with the FD returns and the return from the Yes Bank, FD returns are higher than Yes Bank. But if we have a vision for a long term, because we all know that Yes Bank is struggling just because of the scams that had took place, and Yes Bank is still struggling because of the same. Because on within a month we can clearly see that news related to Rana Kapoor arrive in the market, and we had seen whenever Yes Bank tried to gain something in the market, Rana Kapoor related news trend in the market, and now operators plays their game, where we can witness one thing. Whenever these sort of news upgraded in the market, Yes Bank started to movement downward, and there we can clearly see that on monthly basis, whenever this Yes Bank share goes down, mutual fund houses start to buy there and start to invest their money. So why I am recommending this share, because we know that mutual fund houses have their eye on Yes Bank and they are doing good purchase in Yes Bank. And now they were bullish about Yes Bank, then why are we get panicked? So try to be calm, because you have waited a long for Yes Bank to recover. Now this is the time when Yes Bank is trying to do the same thing, and they are trying to attain in the market. And when they are doing these kind of things, now no need to sell this at this moment of time. So you have to be more patient right now, and please wait along. Yes Bank will definitely give you good returns. Another reason to consider about Yes Bank is its financial trend. We can clearly notice that within 3 years, like from 2018 to 2020, we noticed that in 2018 and 2019, Yes Bank has good profit. But when we try to compare it, we can notice one thing, that from 2018 to 2020, the share has a downward momentum, and in 2020, this goes a drastically downward with 16.43 thousand crore of loss. Now in 2021, we still notice that Yes Bank has a loss of 3.49 crore thousand crore, but good thing for out of this is Yes Bank recovers a good. Now they are still in loss, but good thing is that after 10 quarter Yes Bank shows good return, and there are other news related to Yes Bank related to their loan book and their deposit. Yes Bank also increase in that factor as well. So now things are looking good for Yes Bank, fundamentally strong. Definitely go for this share, and I would recommend, please take the suggestion from your financial advisor. Now I will show you some data related to the mutual fund and the shareholding patterns. Why I will show you the shareholding patterns? So that you can understand why to stay on Yes Bank. So this is the list of shareholding pattern of Yes Bank. We can notice one thing, that State Bank of India still holds 30% of their holdings with Yes Bank. LIC also holds 4.9%, and ICICI Limited 3.99, Battery 2.7%, Axis Bank 1.96%, Qualified Institutional Buyer 1.58, HDFC Life Insurance Company Limited 1.37. So just see the pattern, like SBI still holds 30% of this share. So one thing is clear, that this share will definitely work in the market, and we already know that SBI is not going to leave anyhow the market, and definitely Yes Bank will still stay. So why these company are holding that much of their holding with Yes Bank? Because they know the fundamentals of Yes Bank, and they know the caliber of Yes Bank. That's why they are still investing in Yes Bank, and their mutual fund houses also investing in Yes Bank. I will show you the data related to the same. This is the list of mutual fund houses. Like, you can clearly notice one thing, like ICICI Prudential, then Nippon, then ICICI, all these shares, like, they have increased their mutual fund holdings. So with this, in August, 6.77% increased by ICICI, Nippon 2.70%. Okay, another thing that you are seeing, market valuation, which goes minus 9.32%. So this is the actual valuation. So no need to consider it as that they are selling there. No, they have their valuation, but it is decreased by 9 minus 9.32%. But no need to worry, because they are still uh, investing in that, and just this figure is of 9 minus 9.32%. It is just because the share has reached a lowest of 10 rupees 80 paise, and this is the time when they has increased their valuation as well. Like for ICICI example, 6.77% they have increased, because they know this share has reached a lowest where they had invested good, and now when share again gains a 13 rupees figure, definitely they are in good position. I will show you the data of July as well. You can notice same pattern you will see in July as well. This is the data of July, and I will show you the data of June as well. We can notice one thing, that here we have sale and purchase both. So this is what happening with the Yes Bank from. Well, this is all for the Yes Bank. I hope you will understand that why do we need to stay with Yes Bank, because things looks good with Yes Bank right now. Fundamentals are looking good for Yes Bank, and factors like mutual fund houses and shareholding pattern of Yes Bank is really strong. So these are the points which make Yes Bank a strong competitor in market. Financial related company, definitely they will increase. We already witnessed the same with Punjab National Bank. Now we can see that Punjab National Bank is also recovering really good, and they had reached a figure of 40 rupees now. Same applies for the Yes Bank. Bank will also reach the same figure, but this will take a little time. So I hope you will understand this thing. At the last, I would recommend each of you, please do some market research, then take advice of a financial advisor, so that you can understand all the terminologies that your financial advisor will advise you. With this, I hope you will like this video. Please support me, like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.